Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which outputs your PC and monitors actually have, because the how depends on those ports. Once done, gather the right cables and any active adapters. Passive adapters often won't carry signal across different standards. Make sure to power down the system and screens before connecting. This prevents detection errors and electrical issues. Now plug the primary monitor into the GPU output you normally use, tighten connectors, and keep the second monitor and its cable handy for the next step. Next, attach the second monitor to a free port on your graphics card or docking station. If you're mixing HDMI and DisplayPort, use an active adapter to convert signal properly. Boot the PC and open your operating system's display settings. Most systems auto-detect, but select Detect if the second screen stays black. Choose Extend to use both simultaneously, then set each monitor's resolution and refresh rate to match capabilities. Arrange the virtual positions to match your physical layout, so the cursor flows naturally between displays. Finish by selecting which monitor is primary, adjusting scaling and orientation, and confirming color or brightness matches across screens for comfort. Make sure GPU drivers are current and reboot once after configuration to lock settings. If you encounter flicker, stuttering, or wrong resolutions, reseat cables and try different ports or a known good cable. One key troubleshooting tip: if a monitor shows no signal, verify its input source. Swap cables and confirm any active adapter has power. These steps solve most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.